Losing a job at 52 can feel like the end of the road. But trust me, it's the beginning of a new chapter. And I know how overwhelming it could be to wondering what's next. But I'm going to show you that you're not stuck and that there are real ways of earning online, even if you don't have no experiences. And I'll be sharing 5 powerful ways for you to start making right now, all while you're building something sustainable for your future. Hi, I'm Arnice, and I'm here to empower midlifers over 40 and 50 to embrace in this digital space so that they can build and create the type of lifestyles that they want for themselves. Let's go. Number 1. Now, these are the ways. These are some ways of different streams of income that you can start right now while you're building and creating something for yourselves. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online without needing to create your own product. You simply recommend products or services that you believe in. And when someone purchases through your link, you earn commission. That's all affiliate marketing is. And it's a good way. It is. If you a real good startup, if you want to earn some commission and something extra, that's just an extra stream of income while you're building and creating and working on your future. 2, freelancing. Freelancing ain't nothing but it really go. I look at freelancing like it goes hand in hand with this digital marketing space because you're self-employed. You're working with organizations, getting contracts through organizations. You just basically working for self by freelancing, but with organizations as well. So that's another stream of income, which goes hand in hand with the digital marketing anyway. 3, content creation. Now, this one might bring you out of your comfort zone a little bit, just a little bit, but not really because that's what I'm doing right now. Creating content on a regular. That is a stream of income because you're building your presence, you're branding yourself, building a presence for yourself online so people can know you, the people that you're trying to connect with within your niche. Yes, content creation, sharing your stories, helping the next person, because that's all content creation is about, is helping the next person. That's another stream. That's 3 of them. Selling digital products. That's a most definitely stream of income. And all these five ways that I'm on 4. So they all go hand in hand with how you can be earning right now while you building and creating you something for yourself. So selling digital products is passive income. Freelancing is passive income. Affiliate marketing is passive income. So if you could package your knowledge, all your knowledge, because that's all it is, Is you sharing your wisdom and your knowledge to the next person, helping that next person in whatever they're struggling in? Because you never know who you're helping. That's all digital marketing is. You can sell templates. You can sell ebooks. Put your information, like example. I, I like to use the cook thing because it's a lot of us that can cook real good cooks. You can make you a digital ebook and get that going. Templates, I love templates. This online course, you can create anything and sell it and make and turn it into that passive income while you're building and creating the type of life that you want for yourselves. That's all this is about. And that's all I'm trying to tell you. It's amazing. Number 5, coaching and consulting. You have the wisdom and the experiences that people need in this digital space. It's a whole new way of learning. It really is. And it's a beautiful way of learning with this, how technology is. Everything is digital. That's why I said you can, if you're a great cook, you can make that digital cookbook. You want to help somebody in the personal development part, just listening and being there for that person. You can turn that into income, a stream of income. Coaching, most definitely a stream of income, good income, all while you're building and creating the type of life that you want for yourselves. So we have affiliate marketing, we have freelancing, we have content creation, and we have selling digital products, and we have coaching and consulting. And so with those 5, those are the 5 streams of income, and that's just a few of the things that you will learn in the course that I license. Is going to teach you them high income digital marketing skills so you can get up and going and being able to start bringing in that revenue of them different streams of income. Yes, it's a beautiful thing. The course that I license, it has over 300 and some odd videos that you're going to learn and earn from just alone within itself. It's going to teach you everything you need to know step by step as a beginner to get yourself up and going in this digital space. And it doesn't take long at all. And you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to be tech savvy, and you don't have to have a whole bunch of all kind of different expensive equipment to get started. And it's a low investment. It's no worries. You'll be able to get yourself started in a whole new pathway within yourself, bouncing back from that setback. Come get these skills. Skills pays the bills. Most definitely. Skills pay the bills. I tell you, when I first started, I didn't think that it wasn't that I didn't think that I couldn't do it. I knew I could do it. It was just about me putting me first in doing it. And I know you can too. And especially after experiencing some type of life-changing event, such layoff, job loss. Don't keep yourself stuck. Try something new. Pivot it into something new. This digital world is what it is. And learning these high income digital marketing skills is gonna get you them streams of income. Them because you're gonna learn those skills right along with the skills that you already know. A lot of times we do devalue of what we already know. And we know a lot as midlifers. This is a perfect space to get into. And especially after experiencing some type of setback, life-changing event like that, losing your 9 to 5, losing your just career just gone within, whatever type of setback it is. Protect yourselves. Come get these skills. Skills pay the bills. These 5 streams of income can turn into something great for you. I know each day I'm taking step by step, little by little, and I'm learning something new every day within my business. Every single day, and you can too. It's easy to get set yourself on up in digital marketing, trying something new. Because I'm telling you, 1.3 trillion by the year of 3030. Wow, that's amazing. I want in this space, and I just want to help you get in this space. Embrace this opportunity. This is the new day, digital marketing. And with the one product, the one done for you product that I license is going to teach you the business of online business. And for you to succeed as a beginner, you're going to learn and develop the skills that you need to put in place to get you grounded. If this is what you ready for, and you're trying and just don't know where to go and how to begin, and trying to figure out if you really want to do something new and take the risk and all that, I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's worth it. You will learn high income skills that ain't nobody gonna be able to take care of you. You'll be able to take that with you wherever. Yes. Yes. Pivot. Try something new. I see so many layoffs and stuff every single day. I'm not alone. And I'm just here to pass this blessing along. How you can turn your life around for the better. Working smarter and not harder. Pivoting into something different, altogether different. Prospering, bringing new abundance and new manifestation into your life for you and your family. If you're ready to get up and going on your journeys in a new way, come manifest with arnice.com. Link down below in the description. You're going to learn these 5 ways, powerful ways of different streams of income. You're going to learn all that in the one digital product that I license, because it's gonna teach you all that and then some. It's so many gems, so many nuggets. I'm not here to lead you astray. I'm here to help you bounce back from that life-changing event that you done experienced, that setback. We're gonna push it on forward going into 2025. We ain't got time for that devil to hinder us and keep us on that backside. Absolutely not. It's time to manifest. Bring new manifestation into our worlds. And show that devil that he's a liar. You can get these skills. We midlifers. We got this. It ain't too much we can't do as midlifers. Come manifest with ourniche.com. Link down below in the description. Let's get these skills.